This is the RadonWell installation video. If you're proposing a RadonWell in a crawl space with less than 3 feet of headroom, and there's no existing crawl space hatch or only an outdoor access point, you'll need to propose a new crawl space hatch inside the home. The minimum size should be 24 by 36 inches. It should be cut into the floor of a closet, laundry room, or other room best suited for the RadonWell location. Remove the crawl space hatch and protect the floor and walls surrounding the opening from the dirt and dust created during the excavation. Pull back any existing vapor barrier and dig a 2 by 2 by 2 foot hole to accommodate a 1-course RadonWell. Add 9 inches of depth for every additional course. Install the top of the RadonWell so that the suction pipe doesn't obstruct the crawl space landing area. The ideal depth is 10 to 14 inches below the surface. Use your hand trowel to pack the dirt down along the sides of the RadonWell. Then bury the rest of the RadonWell, hard packing it down with your feet as you go. A hammer drill with a tamper can be used to compact the dirt over the RadonWell as much as possible. Once the RadonWell is buried, do a smoke test across the top of the soil to make sure there's no loss of pressure. If you see the smoke being pulled into the soil, pour a thin layer of concrete over the top of the ground and spread it out a few inches beyond the area covering the RadonWell. Replace the crawl space hatch door. Make sure the manometer and airflow alarm are installed and finish your pipe run to the radon fan in the attic and the vent pipe through the roof. A 1-course RadonWell will display 6.9 gallons of material and will handle 99% of the crawl space jobs you come across. A 2-course high RadonWell will displace 13.8 gallons of material. Larger RadonWells would be used for unusual situations or when the RadonWell is installed outside next to the foundation. For an architectural detail drawing for a crawl space hatch, send an email to info@theradonwell.com with drawing in the subject line. Thank you for purchasing the RadonWell, the astonishing alternative to crawl space encapsulation.